I'm such a goof that I didn't realize there was a sheen on this. I had this made. This is my logo. Kathy Savage from Digital Deco Designs designed this for me. I've never had it blown up big before, but I did this. Excuse me. I did this a couple of days ago, and I have a frame that I bought from Hobby Lobby. Let me show you this frame. First of all, I didn't even know. We're gonna mount my logo. Look at this frame. There's some chips taken out of it, and I'm all right with that because I'm gonna make it shabby chic. I painted this whole black frame here with Mod Podge before I came live, so you don't have to watch the paint dry. So what I did, and I'm gonna bling this with Totally Dazzled Bling and do the frame if we have time for all of that. So let's get to getting. Oh my goodness. So what you do is you put 1/6 layer of Mod Podge down, even layer, I should say. And then what you do is you dry it or you wait for it to dry. And I did a little of each. So this is parchment paper. I had this made, by the way, at Walmart. Sweet young man, very helpful. So I'm gonna iron this on with my craft iron. I've got it perfectly butted up to both edges here. It's mounted to this board, and I think it looks pretty good. All right, I'm loving how this looks. Okay, so I've got a couple of things here that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the SS16 clear, and I'm going to be using the SS16 or SS20 clear, and Totally Dazzled Applicator pen. The Rhinestone applicator kit is bomb diggity. Love, love, love it. I am going to be using now I don't know if these are the antique bronze or not. They look antique bronze, but then again, they look silver, and I know that they're not carrying the antique bronze anymore. But I'm thinking I'm going to be using these on the frames. I have 2 of these little appliques. I'm going to either use 1 or 2 or some in there. I've already got my SS16 and my SS20 ready to roll. I did do some things ahead of time. What I'm going to do in the middle of these, because these are bigger than these, same shape, just this is bigger, so I don't want to mess it up, basically. So I'm going to put a little dab of B7000 right in the middle of these bad boys. So, okay, I'm going to put this right in the middle. These little dangly things, I'm going to put SS16 and SS20. I'm going to alternate them. Now there's some bigger ones here and some smaller ones. So on the big ones, of course, I'm just going to go ahead and hit them with a little bit of the B7000. How pretty! I'm just going to put a few in between here and just see. How about that? Look at that. All right, well, I got 2 of these frames here. So guess what Susie gonna do? I'm gonna clean it up with some alcohol. We're gonna shabby it up. I don't know, will it fit on this Lazy Susan? Rubber. I was thinking about doing it chippy. Maybe crackle finish it. I don't know. I'm debating. See, it's got to be dark to begin with. We got to get some dark paint on it to start with, so that when I do chip it up, the background's going to chip dark. But like I said, I'm not going to put it on too heavy. Too. I'm just gonna get some on there. It's called folk art, By the way, did I tell you that? This is called Folk Art Crackle Medium. It's I bought it at Hobby Lobby for $4.99. It may be more now. This is my white Fusion Mineral Paint casement. I know I'm gonna need it. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna start on the side here. I know you can't see it. Lovely. All right, I think it's dry. At least enough to do what I want to do here with these little amulets. I don't know what they're called. I'm out of the Pent Art Gold, so I do have gold rub and buff. Like, shall we? I'm going to do this inner part here just to jazz it up a little. What it's going to do is it's going to pick up all those high spots, and it's going to give it yet a third dimension here, a third color. I'm going to hold it up a little bit so y'all can see. I'm going to do the last 3 on that so you can see it up close. Can you see all of that crackle finish? Let's see if I can hold it where y'all can see it. I'm not going to attach the logo to it. I'm just going to set it in there so you can see it once I have this decorated with all the bling that I'm going to do. Because the reason is because I may go in after tomorrow, once this is all dried really well, I'm going to go in and I'm going to seal it. So I don't want my logo getting hit with sealer, so I'm going to wait to completely attach the logo. Let's get a little bling going here. Let's get some bling. Ooh, maybe make sure that's dry so I can lean it up on me like this so I can kind of look at it. This is not coming off. Here we go. I like to add a little bit of hot glue to make sure that it stays on there really well. But it's got a sticky back on it. 3M. I have that on low temp as well. I don't want it on low temp. Got my Bella Lina Boutique logo. We blinged that up where the chandelier hangs down, right? And is that not gorgeous? Seriously, y'all. Seriously, I love this. And I just may, not right now, but maybe tomorrow when all said and done, I may take one of these beautiful bows here and I might put it like right there. What do y'all think about that? I think it would be really pretty. So thanks again. I'm gonna have to stand up to say my goodbyes. Love you all. Have a great night. Bye.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.